everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are gonna see how to see who watched your Facebook story after 24 hours. So let's head over to the Facebook application. Once in there, make sure you are logged into your desired account and then head over to the three lines and go to the settings. This might take a while to load. And in here, scroll down and go to archive. If you can't find the archive, just search for it. Go to the search option and search for archive. You can also use a shortcut. Go to your profile and go to the three dots. So once in there, just go to the archive section. And here go to story archive. It will show you the stories in your Facebook after 24 hours. And from there, you can see who watched your story from the viewers section. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.